myself with stick. The Skyline's back, you all wanted to see the Skyline. Let's enjoy the drive. 6 months later. So loud. GTA warm up. 60, 70, the turbo. Oh gosh. This is so loud. We don't have GTST in this car now. Oh, bismillah. Man, this car is loud. As soon as I took that silencer off, it was like, because it's been so long I've been driving this compared to like we're driving the Audi and the Type R and all these small low powered cars. When you get into this you're already like, holy moly. When you're gonna drive it, oh no, the brakes. Whoa. Totally forgot how the clutch works in this car. The car runs slowly. Whoa, whoa. Could feel like missing a bump after a long time. Wow. Can't hear anything. All I can hear is loud exhaust. Wow. Oh man, this car is scary, man. That was just like lightly levels. Do a few checks in the engine, everything's running so far so good on the car. Oh god, geez, I can hear every single stone going up in the wheel. Very addictive, like I just want to keep on like controlling the car that's losing control. So it's like feels like I'm in a track. I miss this car. Alhamdulillah. After a very long time of not driving this car, she performs exactly how she does. Ever since I first initially bought this car, no problems whatsoever. Alhamdulillah. Praise be to the Lord. Pops and bangs, yeah? So we do that like that. We'll turn it off, the sheep's run off. I'm too old for pops and bangs. That's just for kids to want to see the fire and stuff. That's what happened. Maybe 2-3 years ago, yeah. It was sick to get it, yeah. I could tick the box. I did the pops and bangs, but yeah. But this car's not about pops and bangs. This car is all about the road and the car and the feeling and that scary feeling. That's what this car's about, and this gives you everything. I can't describe the feeling that I get when I'm driving this car. Like you can just see it for yourself. Like this is such a raw car, such a, you know, born to be wild. It's so well engineered. Oh gosh, it's amazing. It's an amazing car. This is one hell of a machine, mashallah. Compared to every car I've driven, this car is, and it's on its own like different sort of league. Brings you alive. Oh man, scary. Get me forward drive, but no. Let the car fishtail. Wow man, I bet that ferarri's thinking no, hell. Oh man, I need more grip. And you know what? I know this is like the only video I'm going to be making like after a while for the content that I'm making. It's going to be about the Audi and the Taycan and the cars that I'm buying and I'm like working on. This is still like a one-off for now. When the weather gets better, we can start working on this car. But I believe I will get some full slick, big fat drag tyres for this car, and it's going to grip the road and I can feel the full boost. But at the moment, it's dangerous. But anyways, I want to end it there. Let's get back to the HQ and just check all the engine, the fluid and everything, because it's never been driven for a long time. So that was, I don't know what to say. Like the car just wants to speak for itself. It wants to be driven hard, and I'm not letting it do it because of the weather and the tyre grip. And I'm just being honest, you know, this car is just, dude, it's just, oh man. Go wild, this car does. See what I mean? Like that, just like barely, like little bit of gas, and the back end just wants to like say, "Let me free," and I'm sliding like ice skating and stuff. Oh gosh. Anyway, let's let her cool down. But she drives fine, that's what matters as well. See how this engine is. I was supposed to do a video of getting these lights done, but I haven't done it. I've made the video, just haven't uploaded or edited the video. So I'm trying to get the lights. You can see like this is old and this is new. But yeah. See how she's running. So far so good. The car is, you know, doing well. Check all the fluids. So far so good. The pressure 6 points, which is good. It's not leaking here anymore, which is good. And so far so well. She's a good girl. Well done. And the turbo. Very good. I'm very proud of her. And that was only low boost, by the way, not in high boost. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned. She will be back when the weather gets better, but the Skyline's back. You know, you all wanted to see the Skyline, and she as well. So peace, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.